Welcome to the Daily Salon with Leah Harris. I'll be addressing some neurological questions of today by posing this moral dilemma by the well-known psychologist Joshua Green. A trolley is headed toward 5 people. The only way you can save them is to hit the switch that will turn the trolley away from the 5 people onto a sidetrack. But if you turn it onto the sidetrack, it will run over 1 person. What would you do? That leads us to the topic of today: how scientists see morality and where your moral decisions come from. Is it neurological, biological, or from your evolutionary genetic makeup? The animal kingdom, humans, revolve around a value system for ethics. These values are governed by reason and human nature. Human nature relies on morality. The morality of humans and animals are shaped by the animal instinct necessary for survival. This is where humans add to the animal instincts with other ethical laws, which creates the moral code of today. The morals of today's society have evolved from many different subjects and are the root of many scientific studies of the human brain. The morality of the brain is a function of the evolutionary and biological tendencies from our animal origins. It is also a function of the ever-changing neurological connections day to day. The ethical code is continuously changing as humans respond to new emotions of new situations and new subjects. What kind of things shape our ethical codes of today? Religion, community, culture, parents, friends, society, government. The difference between a rational moral choice and an emotional choice is the picture it tends to invoke in someone's mind. This time, you're on a footbridge, in between the oncoming trolley and the 5 people, and next to you is a big person wearing a big backpack. The only way you can save those 5 people is to push the big guy off the bridge so that he lands on the tracks, and he'll get squashed by the train. You sort of use him as a trolley stopper, but you can save the 5 people. But where does this heavy emotional response come from? The second moral dilemma causes a higher emotional response because you envision yourself pushing somebody off of the bridge. This becomes difficult with the emotional response because the values you perceive are changing in this situation. Scientists believe the emotional part of the brain, which delves into reason of weighing different values, is a part that is said to make the decision. What scientists are trying to understand is what makes the brain go from a rational decision to an emotional decision in this part of the brain. The overall question of morality has not one root scientifically. It has roots in biological, neurological, and genetic aspects coming from years of living and years of evolutionary changes in the human nature. Thank you for joining us today for Tuesday's Salon, and goodbye.